Unpacking, Get the Old Heave-Ho, a guide to English idioms. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of English idioms, specifically the phrase, get the old heave-ho. Understanding idioms is crucial for mastering English, as they add color and depth to our conversations. So, let's explore what this intriguing phrase means and how you can use it in your everyday language. The phrase, get the old heave-ho, is an idiom that means to be dismissed, rejected, or ejected from a place or situation, often abruptly or without much warning. It's used in informal contexts and can refer to anything from being fired from a job to being asked to leave a social gathering. This expression paints a vivid picture of someone being physically heaved or thrown out, emphasizing the suddenness and sometimes the roughness of the departure. Understanding the origins of idioms can often help us better grasp their meanings and nuances. The term heave-ho is believed to have nautical roots, stemming from the commands given on ships to coordinate the lifting or throwing of heavy objects or to exert effort together. Over time, giving someone the heave-ho transitioned from a literal physical action to a more metaphorical usage, implying the act of getting rid of someone or something. To integrate get the old heave-ho into your English, here are a few examples. 1. After repeatedly coming in late, Jenna finally got the old heave-ho from her job. 2. I tried to join the conversation, but I got the old heave-ho because they wanted to keep it private. 3. The outdated policy finally got the old heave-ho at the last company meeting. These examples show that the phrase can be applied to people, actions, or even policies and ideas, making it quite versatile in informal speech. English is rich with idioms that convey the concept of dismissal or rejection. Here are a few similar expressions. Kick to the curb, to dismiss or reject someone or something. Give the boot, another way of saying someone has been fired or removed. Show the door, to ask someone to leave, usually in a direct or sometimes rude manner. Understanding these similar idioms can help you appreciate the variety and richness of English expressions related to dismissal or rejection. That wraps up our exploration of the idiom, get the old heave-ho. We hope this video has illuminated this colorful expression for you and added a new layer to your understanding of English idioms. Remember, language is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's also about the expressions that bring it to life. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to helping you discover more fascinating aspects of the English language in our next video.